Hey everybody, Chris again at U-Joint. This van turned out real nice. It's going to Colorado. It's a 2012, I believe, 2011 or 2012 5.4 extended body wagon. It has the crew package, which is kind of rare. It's got glass, but it's got the crew package. So it's got that short headliner and one bench and a cage behind that. So we did a 6-inch on 35s, progressive springs all the way around. Stage 2 front axle, ARB diff cover, RSC upgrade, 456 gears, Detroit True Track, all the usual common stuff that we do. Check out our axle page for more details on the axles we build here. Up front, we I think it already had the black grille, can't remember, but we put a black grille, buried some little LED running lights in it, smoked the stock corner lights. Did some high-tech headlights from our buddy Scott at Vantage Optics. I got a rigid amber flood on the outside and a clear spot on the inside into the stock bumper, which we cut and then powder coated. The black texture is the front OBA line. So this van does have our OBA system. Bushwhacker flares, Rhino line the rockers, Aluminess nerf bars. Wheels are from our friends at Black Rhino Wheels. We did the Dynalock upgrade on this van also on the front axle. Tires are a 35 1250 17 Toyo Open Country AT2 single Fox 2.0s. Tranny came out for a full rebuild, 4-wheel drive conversion. On the rear, another ARB diff cover and an ARB air locker. LED tail lights. This is the first time we've used this style rigid light. I really like them. I can't remember the part number. I'll put it in the comments. But it's we usually use the dually style flush mount. It's a little different look. I like it. Luminous tire carrier out back, and on the rear bumper we of course buried the reverse lights and the trailer plug, and then repowder coated it. All the lights and electronics, OBA, locker, it's all controlled with the sPOD. This van had the trailer brake control, so we moved it down there to free up the space for the sPOD switches. So yeah, uniquely optioned van. I like seeing odd stuff like this. Someone sat down at Ford and clicked very specific options. So if I forgot anything, I'll put it in the comments. I forgot about the cab lights. Customer wanted some cab lights in this thing, so we put them on the sPOD. I think they look pretty cool. So, ujointoffroad.com. Email me, Chris at ujointoffroad.com if you have any questions. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook. We appreciate the support. Have a great day. Thanks.